In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable cloud recording in Zoom. Before we start, a quick note about where this setting lives. Cloud recording is controlled in the Zoom web portal, not the desktop app, so you'll be using your browser for this. Open your browser and head to zoom.us, then sign in. Make sure you're using an account that's eligible for cloud recordings. This feature is available to paid, licensed users. If you're on a basic plan, or if you're part of an organization where an admin has restricted recording, you may not see the option. In that case, you'll need to upgrade your plan or ask your admin to enable it at the account or group level. Once you're signed in, look to the left sidebar and click Settings. This is the central place where you manage account-level preferences for meetings. Along the top of the Settings page, switch to the Recording tab. You'll see two sections: Local recording and cloud recording. Focus on cloud recording and locate the toggle. Turn it on. If you're prompted to confirm the change, go ahead and confirm. If you see that the control is locked, it means an admin has enforced a setting above your user level. You'd need them to unlock it first. With cloud recording enabled, take a moment to configure the available options below the toggle. These shape what Zoom saves when a meeting is recorded. You can choose layout preferences such as active speaker view or gallery view, which determine how participants appear in the final video. If you rely on speaker-focused content, active speaker view keeps the spotlight on whoever is talking. If you want a broader view of the room or panel, gallery view is often better. You can also enable saving chat messages so that written Q&A or links shared during the meeting are preserved alongside the video. Turn on only what you need to keep your files smaller and your storage organized. A few things to watch out for as you set this up. Cloud storage is finite, so be mindful of large meetings with screen sharing or high participant counts. They can add up quickly. If you don't see the cloud recording toggle, double-check that you're signed into the correct licensed account or ask your admin whether the feature is disabled at a higher level. Finally, remember that recordings may contain sensitive information. Inform participants when you're recording and handle the files according to your organization's privacy and retention policies. Once these settings are saved, cloud recording will be available in your meetings, and new recordings will automatically upload to your Zoom cloud for easy access and sharing.